Now we're going to take Q-tips, give them a quick little dunk, just give them a quick little dunk inside of the isopropanol to get them a little bit moist. Doesn't matter if this stuff gets on your hands, it's not harmful, it'll just dry your skin out a little bit. And we're going to use this to soak everything that's still dirty, which is pretty much the entire controller. You just want to make sure to get some liquid on it and let the liquid sit on it. It'll break up the dirt as you keep doing this. So you just let the dirt sit on top of it, and it'll start to break up the dirt. In really bad areas, which is most of this controller is really freaking dirty. You just let some liquid sit on top of it and let the isopropanol do its work while you continue to add more isopropanol to more areas. I keep saying isopropanol, it's a force of habit. It's really just rubbing alcohol. I'm the only one who's weird enough to actually call it isopropanol all the damn time. Alright, now that I've applied it to the worst areas, I'm going to take the dry side of this Q-tip and try to pull the dirt off. If you've let it sit there long enough, it will just kind of fall off. It's not even going to give up a fight. Okay, and when it gets really dirty, toss it. You can't use it anymore. Once it's dirty, you can't use it. It's not going to pick up any more dirt. So once it's dirty, you got to just stop. Some areas will need a reapplication of the isopropanol if they're really bad, but most should be okay with the first initial application. You're going to use a lot of rubbing alcohol and a lot of Q-tips. You're really going to use a lot of Q-tips. Because this controller has to be totally clean, because anything that's not plastic, anything that's not part of this controller, the paint will still stick to it, but it won't stick to your controller. So where the dirt was, you'll have a spot on your controller. It's really annoying. So you got to make sure to clean it till it's totally clean, because everywhere there's dirt, when the dirt decides to fall off, the paint will go with it. It'll make the paint weaker, and once your paint chips once, it can continue to chip all the way down the controller. So save yourself some hair pulling later and spend a few extra minutes making sure your controller is really, really clean right now. The thing about isopropanol is that it dries a lot faster than water, even if you add water to it. I'm just cleaning up my area here. Alright, now I'm going to take some paper towels and take care of the major area. I don't need an entire sheet of paper towels, so I'm just going to rip off a slab of it. Dip it in the isopropanol and just rub down my controller. That sounded dirty. The inside is not super important, but while you're cleaning your controller, you might as well, you're already there cleaning your controller. You took it apart, you might as well clean the whole thing. It'll make you feel better on the inside. Alright, looks like we got this about as clean as we're going to get it. So now I'm gonna do the other sections of the Xbox controller, and we'll pick this video back up with the sanding.